In the area of agriculture, fortunately, the good news is that there's a lot of innovation. That is, you can make much better seeds. You know, a good example is a group we funded to do water efficient maize, WEMA, water efficient maize for Africa. And that was a very successful project where, you know, under drought conditions, maize productivity is about 30% higher. And so that's extremely beneficial for farmers to have that extra productivity. We also can bring into seeds a lot of disease resistance. And you've seen leaf necrosis, fall armyworm, a number of diseases of maize, you know, have been very troubling for farmers. And there's a variety of ways to make seeds, you know, all of which we fund to get rid of those diseases. Maize productivity in Kenya is actually not very high. Obviously, you know, if you look at Western farming, you've got a lot of irrigation, you've got a lot of fertilizer, but the yields would be over 4 times as great. If you look at Ethiopia for maize, it would be over double the current productivity. And so, you know, by helping farmers get good advice on when to plant, by helping them get access to credit, by helping them understand how to improve their land or do various types of water storage, there is the opportunity for Kenya to raise its productivity. Some of the productivity has actually been going down the last few years, and part of that is due to the weather. You know, some places as the weather changes, you have to switch crops, and getting good advice on whether to switch to a different variety of maize or to switch to something like sorghum that happens to withstand heat far better than maize does. You know, so there's every reason to think that by adopting the right innovations, Kenya should go from being a net food importer in many of the key crops to being able to be largely self-sufficient.